Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you one of the ways to make your pineapple tea using the skin. I will also be adding the pineapple leaves, which is called pineapple crown. This leaf or crown is packed with a lot of nutrients, just like the skin. I'll add ginger, skin of the lemon or lemon peel, sorry. If you have orange peel, you can also add that. I'll also add some cloves and a spoon of turmeric powder. If you have the turmeric stick, you can add that. If you also have cinnamon stick, you add that. I have a previous video where I added cinnamon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Then add water to it to cover it. Stir, cover and boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it cools down, sieve it out into a cup, add any sweetener of your choice and enjoy. This tea is called anti-inflammatory tea because it reduces inflammation. It also boosts immunity, aids the indigestion, and heals sore throat. It has a whole lot of nutrients. It is called miracle drink. I hope you try this drink. You will love it and thank me later. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye.